Turn the dial until the number combination aligns with the marker. The lock combination is preset to 0000. Pull one side to unlock. Turn the knob 90 degrees in the clockwise direction to the position showing here. Reset the combination wheel to the new combination you desire. As an example, we'll choose 1, 2, 3, 4. As you do, make sure the number as your new combination are line up with the marker on the case. Once your number are selected, turn the reset knob back to its original position. The new combination is now set. The new number combination will now be used to unlock the cable.